Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. So today's 11th of August, and we're going to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is 500. So on this chart, basically, we are in an uptrend. The price is currently moving to the upper side. As you can see from the indicator we have on the lower side, we have this, the green line is above the red line, and then the other indicator you have in the alligator indicator, you can see that the price is continuously closing above it, which means we do expect price to continue to the upper side. As it is now, we are eyeing this level here, 3392.4. We want price to clearly break beyond it, or it should bounce off of it so that we look for a sell position. But as it is now, we are in a buy. We are holding on to the position we took previously. We had a buy position. We are still holding on to it. We expect the buyers to continue being in control up to the line which you have at the very top. So that's it with SP500. Let's check first and see if there's anything. So first you can see that we are still upwards. There's a level here, and then you also have this. So this is like it broke above, then it entered into some shape, then broke above it, it continued even higher. So as it is now, we still expect price to continue to the upper side, expect more momentum to the upper side, expect a possible move up to around 3392.4. So if you're on this chart now, keep looking for buy positions, expect price to continue to the upper side, especially up to this resistance which we are having here. You can see that there's some multiple tails here. This tail means a buy, this tail means a buy. What they mean is that we are still somehow to the upper side, so keep looking for buy positions. The next chart I want to look at, I want us to look at STJY on the daily. On the daily chart, looks like the price is currently heading to the lower side. It's supposed to go to the lower side despite the fact that the current candle is green. I'm saying this because we have a support here, we have a support here, we have a support here. There's a break below this level, we had a resistance, and then we now expect the same place to be a resistance now that the price is again at the same place. So look for a sell order here, have your stop loss above this level, and then have your take profit at 102.31. So the idea is to look for a sell as I'm speaking now. Keep looking for patterns that portray a sell, that give you the opportunity for sell positions, but have a stop loss above this level here. The next chart is EURUSD. EURUSD so far we are downwards. The reason I'm saying this is because we do have a support which has just been broken. The previous days candle actually closed below a significant level. We have this a very good support. It was broken. As it is now, you can see that the price is actually below the same place. So this should give us the correct place to look for a sell position. We expect sellers to take control at this point, 1.1377. So keep looking for sell orders. Expect price to continue down up to this point, 1.1377. And the next chart is GBP/USD. GBP/USD so far we are bearish, but we want price to clearly descend below this point. Looks like this made a consolidation error. You can see this was an indecision candle. Indecision. We have one big red candle, green, small green, one red candle. Then we are now back to the same place. We are still consolidating. So should the price fail to give us a clear sell signal, we'll be looking for a buy, and if the price gives us a clear buy signal, then we want price to at least break beyond this high, the high of this red candle, to confirm that we are continuing the upper side. So the next chart we want to look at, we look at gold. Gold is moving to the lower side. As you can see, the price is somehow moving to the lower side. This is just but a correction. Whatever we are seeing now is just a correction. We expect more correction to the lower side. Let me explain why. So if you look at stochastic, you'll see exactly what I'm saying. From this point here, the stochastic has been overbought. So from this point, for the longest possible time, you can see that the price has been overbought. From this point, it was overbought, still the same thing until now. The price is still being overbought. So if you are to see any clear sell signal, kindly sell it and know that we are likely to head down only as long as the price is above 20. When it reaches below 20, then we are supposed to look for a buy position. And the last chart I want to look at today, Brent oil. So Brent oil appears not to be breaking above the level we wanted to go beyond. We want price to clearly break above this level. We want price to break above this trend line. We break above it, retrace back, and then continue to the upside. That's what should happen. So if you're looking at this chart now, you should be looking for buy positions, especially if the price breaks beyond the upper trend line. If that does not happen, that is, if price does not break above the upper trend line, then we will be looking for sell positions. So that should be it for today. I will meet again tomorrow. So thank you. See you.